gonna be a short video on how I style these braids. And for those of you who I know be watching, well, I appreciate you for watching. But yes, I am wearing the same outfit that I was wearing in my previous summer look video, just because I just decided, why not just do another video while I'm available, because I know the minute that I get a little too preoccupied or too busy, I'll probably never get a chance to film this, and by then I probably would have took these dang braids out. But since I got the time today, so to begin with, I did say I was going to explain to you guys how I do maintain these braids. But I did just get them done on Saturday. It's Tuesday. But I do know, just with the way that my hair is, it does take a lot of maintenance. So some people might say, well, you just got them done, so why are you having so much high maintenance already? Well, because I have dry scalp. And when you have dry scalp, you have to take extra steps. But honestly, I don't really take all that steps since these are fresh. But the first thing, the only thing I'm using so far is the castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and I use the one that has peppermint oil in it, just because I feel like it stimulates my scalp better. And obviously, if my scalp is itching, I need something to get rid of the itchiness, and I feel like the peppermint oil does just that. And not to mention, the black castor oil is just the number one thing for a black girl's hair journey, natural hair journey. Even if you're not natural, hell, black castor oil is that. But so what I'll do is, because I do need me a touch up, so what I'll do is I just pour some of it into my hand. Now, I really had meant to buy an applicator bottle, but I was on a budget and I was being cheap, and I literally looked at the applicator bottle and it said $1.99. I said, I ain't got $1.99. But literally what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and just rub it. Well, like I said, I already poured it in my hands, and I'll just rub it on my fingers, and I'll just use my fingers and just kind of go through my scalp and just put it in all the parts that I feel like are getting on my nerves. The middle especially, Lord knows. But I really do recommend, don't be like me, y'all, get the applicator bottle. Not to mention, if you don't want to do an applicator bottle, I would say definitely get the spray bottle, because then you can just mix as many oils as you want in your hair, and in your oil concoction, whatever works for you, and you can just massage that in your scalp. And obviously, if you're spraying it, it would make it so much easier, especially with braids, because getting through these little parts right now, got your girl beat. But I'm a trooper, and we're gonna get through this. But honestly, that's about it. That's about it for what I would do, being that I just got these. That's about it. I would just put some oil on my scalp and just leave that at that. But I will soon go ahead and get like a spray bottle, or just use one that I already have, and get some more black castor oil, of course, and use that to put oil in my hair. That'll make it so much easier. Usually what I use is this Palmer's peppermint coconut spray, and I'll spray that all in my hair. It does wonders. It really does tickle my scalp, and it feels really, really good. That's usually what I'll use, but I ain't got that. Well, I do got that, but it's somewhere in the house. I don't know. Look, I said I just moved, and look, things still packed up. They're gonna be packed up for a while until I get my furniture together. Now, this is the first style. This is it's so boring, but I mean, I still think it's cute. Like I said, when you add the beads in, if you do already kind of have braids like these and you don't have beads in your hair, if you do add beads in and you just wear them down like this, or even just a couple extra accessories, it is really, really cute. So I feel, but definitely this is like, this is my, I woke up late, I'm rushing, and I gotta run out the door look. This is this one. And then now we're gonna get into the second look. So in my last video, y'all saw I just literally, the second look, I just literally like flipped it over to the side. Just grabbed a couple braids, and I'm very big on wanting my beads to show. And if you're just like me, then hey, definitely feel free. And I'll just leave these out. Well, just this one particular one. And of course, I flip it over to the side. And I feel like this is really classy. This is really cute, simple. You know, not too much, not too little. Definitely. So let's get into the third look. What I like to do is I like to, y'all seen this. Y'all seen this basic look. But I'll just take a few of them and push them back now. Don't tug on that one too hard. And pull them back and do like a cute ponytail in the back. I definitely do try to make it even. Again, I am a perfectionist. Y'all saw how long it took me to blend out 2 shadows. Now, come on now, work with me. But since I don't have a rubber band, I will just use a piece of hair and just use that to hold down the fort. But that's about it for this look. This is, again, really cute, really simple. Nothing too extravagant. All right. Let's go on to one. Is the one that you guys see oh so often, the top knot. And the thing that I really like about this look with the beads is that the beads just add a little bit of extraness. Like I really like how the beads add to this look. Like especially if I turn around, you can see it's just really cute. And then when they dangle a little bit, I feel like the beads with this hairstyle and this half up, half down look was just really it. And literally when I thought about putting beads in my hair, this was the first style I said I'm gonna do. That's about it. Jesus, I canceled. But that's about it for this video. As I was saying, hopefully I'm not missing for too long next time. I know it's been months, but for those of y'all who are still rocking with me, I appreciate it. But thank you guys for watching again, and I will see you next time, and you guys have a great day.